Attention, asset managers and brand executives in the hospitality industry, this message is for you. Are you struggling to turn sustainability promises into property-level realities? You're not alone. With mounting pressures and demands for sustainable hotel operations, it's crucial to transform talk into action. But where do you start? How do you make it financially viable? And what strategies actually work? That's where Greenluxe comes in. As sustainable hospitality experts and advisors, we've created a solution to make your sustainability journey not just manageable, but transformative for your business. Introducing our one-day strategy workshop for brands and asset managers. This isn't just another lecture. It's your roadmap to seamless, profitable sustainability integration. In this one-day workshop, you'll discover how to weave sustainability into existing operations without it feeling like an extra burden. You'll stay ahead of the curve, positioning your properties as industry leaders. You'll leverage your green initiatives to attract eco-conscious travelers and corporate travel buyers. And you can showcase your sustainability efforts to investors, opening doors to new financial opportunities. By the end of the workshop, you'll walk away with a customized blueprint for implementing sustainable practices effortlessly, strategies to overcome common hurdles and avoid costly mistakes, and marketing tactics to capitalize on your sustainability efforts to stand out in this crowded market, and the confidence to lead your organization towards a profitable and green future. Imagine presenting to your board a comprehensive sustainability plan that not only cuts costs, but drives revenue. Picture your properties being recognized as sustainability pioneers, attracting premium guests and top talent. This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about transforming sustainability from a challenge into an opportunity. Are you ready to turn your sustainability aspirations into your greatest business asset? Visit Greenluxe today to learn more. We want to help you every step of the way. And let's make sustainable hospitality not just a possibility, but a powerful reality for your business. Your future success starts here.